and doing really thin coat. Just really thin coat. Because we are going to cap it on the top as well. All right. Close this. I'm gonna submerging my bristles back in the beige gels. All right, and then here and this time what you can do is I'm gonna pick up just a little bit of the chrome flake first. I'm gonna show you how to really simple, easy doing encapsulate. Okay. All right. And then now we are going to flash key it for like 10 seconds. Okay. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in and welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorial. And if you find this video is really helpful and you have the besties or your friends that are looking for this really cool tutorial, it's absolutely free to support from beginner nail tech to like advanced nail tech. So definitely you can able to share it to your friends, and so your friends can absolutely learn it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and using premium hole chamfer foil. The leaf is so beautiful. It's like have a dice cut, so then it's great to have. It's really good. Is premium hole chamfer foil is definitely gonna really adheres it into the nails. So I'm gonna keep it for 30 seconds. Hello Mia, thanks so much for tuning in. Hello everyone, thank you, and hope you all have a fabulous Wednesday. So 30 seconds for that. If you are doing a chamfer foil, it's great to do in chamfer foils as well. You can chamfer the images. Absolutely, you can watching a lot of videos. I did it before. However, this video we are doing encapsulate. So this is a massive power of how this premium hole chamfer foils can encap this beauties fall leaves. You can see that it's like stuck right in. I'll pick another one. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. You gotta see it in person. It looks like it's so like shiny on my end, on your end. But it looks so fall, looks so beautiful. All right, so it stay on really well, and it's adheres absolutely like really good. It's not gonna fall off at all. So what I am going to do is give in a really quick of the we're gonna move on to the, let me pick up some cherry, which is the velvety cherry. Put this one in, and this is so easy and simple with the velvety gels. It's perfect for all beginners or all the nail techs who is been doing like nails for many years. This is absolutely is one of easier, lighter, stronger techniques that you can definitely offer your clients. So I'm gonna getting like the smaller to the medium size of the beads of velvety gels. And it's the best thing about velvety gels, if you feel like you need some more, absolutely. And this is encapsulated. You can using is the same techniques. I mean, you can use it absolutely for gel polish, also for liquid and powder. You can able to create it as well. So now I'm gonna using my brush and submerging it into the beige gels. and gently just tap right there. You do not have to do a lot. It is it's already set level. Is really cool. It's not going to set level. It's really fast, but it's really easy for you. So basically it does most of the work for you. Blend it down, blend it down. Hey Dom, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. All right, and I'm going to flash cure this for 30 seconds, and then keep your bristle like flat. All right, flash cure. Oh, thanks so much, Dom. Yes, is catch the end of summer sales. Is a lot of Velvetty Gels is on sale as well. It's amazing. If you haven't get chance to grab one color, it's a great time to do it now. I hope you enjoy the saving. Thanks so much, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and of course TikTok, Twitch. You all makes difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick a smaller bits of crystal clear to cap completely. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. You see that how it changed the color? Yes, it just changed the color. So this Velvetty Gels is thermal, which is to change the colors based on heat temperatures, and then is glow in the dark at the same time. All right, and it's a great thing about Velvetty Gel. If you need more, absolutely you can add some more. If you feel like you get too much, then you can remove them. Okay, I'm absolutely loving this. Submerging my brush into the base gel, just in case that you're just tuning in. I'm using the base gels. This is compatible, so work the best for Velvetty Gels. You do not need to using any other solution, as it might break down your products. Velvetty Gels is what it does. It benefit of it is so easy for you to sculpting it and do enhancement nails and building the nails, structure of the nails out, and also it is going to when you're wearing the nails, you feel the difference. That it's so light, and then plus that it will flexible, sturdy, and really flexible. So I'm gonna just really feather, like blending it to make sure that I cap completely the part of the ombre. You know what? I think I will do this one for my nails and the show though, and then crystal placements. Just turn it upside down to let it set. Here you go.